Hi, it's Alicia with Ali.plans.cuteness. I am kind of getting over being sick, and so I'm going to try to do this rather quickly, but I have all this stuff that's been piling up, and so I wanted to put it away. So this is a second Ollie swap that I did with Mary over at Plethora of Paper. It's a little bit smaller than our first one. Our first one we both sent really big boxes. This one is a little bit smaller from both of us, but it's still super fun to have someone to swap with and to get these little goodies that I can't get over here. So let's get into it. She also gave me a bunch of little extras. So she sent me this washi tape. I love Doodlebug. And these clips. And a toner mix, toner, like the card kit, so that it's got like the stuff to put the toner foil, or the toner to put the foil on. Goodness, I'm not feeling well, so I'm just, my brain is not here yet, but, yeah, so this is awesome. I love getting these, different kinds of toner, pieces so that I can foil. And then a little card pack, and it says thanks on it. Oh, here, thank you. Very cool. So these are all just little bonus things that she threw in from her stash, which is super sweet. And then here are the items. Again, I'm going to do this rather quickly. I know she's also shown this on her channel. That's how I knew what she had to ask her to swap. Oh, this is interesting. Like the mermaids and the girl. These little button dots. They're really thick. The cutie pie stamps. I was so excited to get these, because I have the collection now, at least pieces of it. These little burlap bows. Some words. This really cute little library sticker pack. Photo corners. And I'm pretty sure, yeah, it's got black, white, and gold. These gorgeous, like, mirror stickers. How fun. Love this little enamel dot, like stars. Love the colors. Some more of the Whittles, the teeny tiny little clips. I love them. They're gold. A little die set for all the cake. I also have pieces. They have a couple birthday collections, and I have pieces of a few different collections from them. These candy canes are just gorgeous. I love them. Look at these clips. Aren't they just beautiful? Yes. Some of this floss, I have some already, and I absolutely love it. And so I wanted more like the neutral colors, and she had some. These adorable puffy stickers. Some thickers. Some white glitter. And then these are cool. They're like floral. The stamp set. Sketchbook. I have some pieces of this collection, and so that is my goal now, is to kind of get the pieces for all these collections. So if anyone wants to swap, if you've got any of these like American craft collections, the Paige Evans, the Heidi Swap, the this is, I think, Bo Bunny or Bevalent, I'm not sure. There's so many. Pebbles. I have pieces, and if you have pieces and you've seen them on my channel and you're like, ooh, I want your pieces and I have some to share too, then let me know and I will gladly swap with you. this shimmer spray, Color Shine. These I thought were cool. I saw her look at them on her channel. I'm not going to check them all out. Again, Mary Plethora of Paper. Check her out if you want to see more details. But I feel like these could be really cool. They're like dividers for like the big, I think this will fit like the big 12 by 12 albums. And they're so pretty. And if I end up not using them for that, these would just be like really cool, like thick acetate to put on stuff. And then she got these, and I thought they looked like fun. They're like layerable, but like kind of see-through. So she sent me a pack of these as well. So that is all the stuff I got from Mary over at Plethora of Paper. Mary, thank you so much. It has been so fun to have you as a little crafty buddy. I'm glad that we got to meet through the Ollie swaps. And thank you all for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.